Kathy BIEHL has a nice view of a small lake near her home. She hopes she doesn't lose it. She has a pre-existing eye condition called macular degeneration that requires her to get injections every couple months that cost $2,000 each visit.
Then I would be opening myself to the hemorrhaging recurring and the retinal scarring getting worse, which could lead to the loss of my eyesight.
Kathy is self-employed, money is tight, so the injections are paid for by the U.S. government-sponsored health insurance plan signed into law by President Barack Obama in 2010, providing low-cost health insurance to low-income Americans. The Affordable Care Act, or ACA, became known as Obamacare, which Kathy and millions like her rely on. Just here in the state of New Jersey, where Kathy lives, there are 350,000 other people just like her that receive low-cost health insurance through the Affordable Care Act. Of those, 225,000 have serious health conditions, such as diabetes or cancer. But nationally, the numbers are even more staggering. 8.5 million Americans signed up for health insurance through the Affordable Care Act, more than half with so-called pre-existing health conditions. But President Donald Trump has long said Obamacare is unfair, too costly, and needs to go away.
So we're going to get rid of Obamacare.
Repeal and replace.
Because Obamacare is a disaster.
The Trump administration has tried to chip away at it, which has troubled health advocates.
This is a national problem, and not funding healthcare, not having the ACA or some other option like that, we're creating bigger monetary issues over the long run. Not to mention the fact that we're not taking care of people, which is what we should be doing. We should be taking care of people. Like, why wouldn't we want to do that?
Well, this is a nice place to hang out.
As for Kathy, she's stressed about the thought of losing her health insurance.
I had the first ever panic attack of my life. Real survival threat, like, I don't know what will happen. I've never thought before, this could kill me.
Leaving people feeling sick about what comes next. Gabriel Elizondo, Al Jazeera, New Jersey.